TSO.trade, proven backtested trading strategies based on intelligent algorithms and validated through backtesting. What are algorithms and how do we use them? Algorithms are like repeating patterns. The longer these patterns repeat, the stronger they are. Here's a nice example of how we put them to work. We observed that when potato price drops to $10, it often bounces up, but not always. So we created an algorithm that analyzed the past 5 years of data. It found that 70 times out of 100, 70%, once price dropped to $10, it then bounced up to $15, while 30 times out of 100, 30%, price fell down to $8. That gives us a 70% profitable 2.5 profit ratio strategy. We decide to follow our strategy for the next year. Every time potato price drops to $10, we buy 100 potatoes at $1,000. Then sell either for $15, making $500 profit, or for $8, resulting in a $200 loss. If next year potato price drops to $10 1,000 times and our pattern remains strong, that would allow us to perform our potato profit operation 1,000 times. Let's calculate 1,000 total trades over last year. Potatoes. We made $290,000 profit in 1 year. We try to make algorithms understandable while being fully open at what we do and what we offer. We offer general information on how to start trading, be it stocks, futures, Forex or crypto. Algorithms with profitable strategies. Custom indicator development. Be sure to check us out at tso.trade.